everyone, today we'll be sharing with you the top places that we visited in Seattle. This is part 1 of 2. Enjoy! Number 1. Tung Restaurant. It is the oldest Chinese restaurant in Seattle. It was established in 1935 by the Kwan family and passed down from generation to generation. We enjoyed dinner here at Bruce Lee's table. This is the table that he always sat at whenever he visited this Chinese restaurant. Number 2. Highland SeaTac Botanical Garden. It is about a 20-minute drive from downtown Seattle, and it is free of charge and open daily. It started from a 1-acre garden, and now it is 10.5 acres and open to the community. This one-of-a-kind garden features a Japanese garden, a paradise garden, and a celebration rose garden for weddings or special events. It started from Elda and Ray Bem's 1-acre paradise garden. Christmas tree. Number 3. Chihuly Garden and Glass Museum, located right next to Seattle Space Needle. Here you will see some of the most amazing, unique glass artwork created by Dale Chihuly, who is from Tacoma, Washington. There is a beautiful garden outside featuring some of Dale Chihuly's amazing glass artwork.
Melting furnace holds our material. That's clear molten glass.
Number 4. Starbucks Reserve Roastery. Starbucks Reserve Roastery is open from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily. They opened their doors in December 2014. They are located in Seattle's Capitol Hill, about 9 blocks away from Seattle's Pike Place. Number 5. Argosy Cruises, located at Pier 55 near the Great Wheel. This is a 1-hour narrated boat tour where you can see panoramic views of the Emerald City and the skyline. Such a pretty day today. We're on the Argosy cruise.
We are underway here. It's going to be just like NASCAR. Slower, quieter. It's still going to be left turn, left turn, left turn. So counterclockwise around the harbor if you want to be situated yourself. Don't have to remain seated. Get up, wander around. One of the best places all the way around. And Ryan here, besides being able to blow the horn of the boat, is actually one of our narrators.
You may have noticed when you set foot on the piers is that they are not lined up with our waterfront or with Alaska.
Our tour guide was amazing. He was funny and he talks about the history of Seattle.
We have 218 cruise ship departures, making Seattle the third busiest cruise port in North America, behind only Fort Lauderdale and Miami. And so Seattle's not just a gateway, but it's also a destination. You're all here on the harbor tour to learn a little bit about Seattle itself. And so for those of you who may be traveling on the Silver Views or another ship departing from the Bell Street Pier, there's a hotel right next door. This long gray pier that will be ahead and to the right of us with the big ready on top is the Hotel Edgewater. And it is the only hotel built out over the water here in town. The owners, they had a great plan. They were going to open it in time for the 1962 World's Fair. They looked at security footage, realized that the octopus was eating the sharks. This is a highly intelligent creature. It would wait for everybody to leave and go home, and then it would go after its dinner for the day. But of course, it could not outsmart security cameras, and it was caught red-handed. And as a result, we no longer have sharks in the aquarium, but we did decide to keep the giant Pacific octopus there, just because it is such a unique creature that we have here in Puget Sound. Now looking off to the right side of the boat, you can see the landmass that is West Seattle. It is a peninsula. To the left of the Coast Guard ships, we can see our stadiums outlined to view now. And the first one is the charcoal black one. That is T-Mobile Park, which you can probably tell by the large T-Mobile logo on the screen inside the stadium. It's the home of the Seattle Mariners, whose season is coming to a close here. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you have enjoyed your time as much as I